Well, hello, my friendly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina, and today we are back shopping at ALDI, see what treasures we could find. And the first one is $18.99. The Crofton. This is a reversible grill. You have the flat side, and then you have a grill on the other side. I love using these two sides, especially if you have a gas stove. And then for $20, this terracotta bowl. This is actually really interesting. I was wondering, is it food safe or is it just more of decorations? It's not really telling me. It's $20. I would probably use it more for decor. And for $4.99, now you have a choice. You could use there's a trivet back there. You have your spoon rest. You have a coaster set. You have two colors to choose from. A more of an earth tone cream and then a blue. So these are nice, and for $5, that's not a bad price for those. And this set, now this is on clearance. We've shown this before. So they do divide up. This is perfect for lunches or if you're doing a meal prep. It's a set of two. It was $12 and it's marked down to $6. That makes each piece $3. And then their St. Patrick's decor has popped in. $8.99. Of course, the gnomes always has their way to sneaking in. And so you have a few to choose from. I'm not the hugest fan of gnomes. Now, the St. Patrick's Day box sign. Now, these are kind of cute. Little different sayings. They're reversible and only for $5. Not a bad price for those. And then you have a St. Patrick's Day candle. This is a 3-wick candle. And of course you have your St. Patrick's decor on there. Those are only $4.50. Not a bad price for those. This is super cute. The ALDI Play shopping set. Okay, $14.99. So there's different pieces. Okay, so you have this one. You have the little shopping bag. This is so cute. The food crates, so there's 2 of them there. And the little sets. And each of these, so you could pick and choose. They're each $15. I actually think this is really adorable. I really wish they had baskets at ALDI. And this one has like ALDI credit cards, got the money. That is so cute. Now for $10, this is actually a really good price because, you know, Legos could get expensive. This is not real Legos, but 253 pieces. It looks like it would be compatible, and it says it is, so that is awesome. And the clock set with the wireless charger, there's no price. They did carry these before, so when they had them before, they're like $17.99. I don't know if that's going to be the price, but it may be around there. But those, I love having a clock with the wireless charger. Now for $14.99, it's a faux cashmere throw. So it felt soft, very thin. But blankets like that, I like for the car. And this light blocking window curtain. Now they're $10. So you think of, you know, if you're using 2 of them for a window, that'd be about $20. And that's kind of the average price. So you could pick and choose, or if you just need one, that you could easily just get one, depending on which window you're trying to block the light out. These are actually really good because they do block the light out. I know I have a room in my house where there's sun always on there, so we use these. The immersion blender with the chopping bowl. Okay, I actually got a set similar to this. I got it from Costco. It was the Cuisinart. This has 3 attachments. So this is actually pretty nice, $25. And then some of their German products, these peanut puffs. It's like a corn snack with freshly ground peanuts. This is really interesting. Now this is $2.30 authentic German food. And 150 calories, only 1 gram of sugar. And of course here is the ingredients here. And now here's another. This almost looks like McDonald's French fries. This is exactly what they remind me of. That are sinfully good. The McDonald's French fries. I don't know what it is about those, but these are $1.49. And then these drizzled granola bites. Ooh, these actually, the honey pecan, and that's lemon blueberry. These are gluten-free. They always do have some interesting, really interesting snacks here. $4.50. That's why I always think Aldi is a treasure hunt. And now, because their foods do change quite often. So if there is a product that you like and say you see it, it's always kind of best if you can, if you have the budget for it, to get a few. Here's an Italian style silver sauce, marsala. Interesting. And then right next to it, there's Simply Nature. Now, I don't think I got the price. $3.50 for those sauces. Now, back to the pasta sauce. There's like a 4 cheese, a mushroom. It's organic. And this is their Simply Nature. I've seen this brand at other stores as well. The mushroom sauce actually sounds really good. I love mushrooms. And let's take a look at those. See, there's a lot of ingredients in here. But only there's 5 grams of sugar. I know sometimes some of these sauces can have a large amount of sugar. For $3. Now, these Jaffa cakes are actually really good. You got strawberry and orange. They sometimes carry raspberry. The raspberry is one of my favorites. And for $8, the Specialty Selected is another brand they carry. This is a pasta. This is dry pasta in a pasta jar, but the pasta jar is not plastic. This is glass. This is actually really nice. It's a nice decor on your counter. You can use it to, store other pasta. I don't know how tight the lid is. And you can kind of see the glass does say pasta. But for $8, you get the whole set. Now for $10, veal patties. And then there's chicken or Parmesan chicken. A lot of the veal. And the breaded. Now, I don't want to reach in too much to open up, to kind of flip some of these packages over. I know a lot of people do like to see the nutrition. And then for $4, gelato. These look like they're in glass jars. Well, how fancy are these? Yeah, look at like little sundae cups. It's a set of 2. Looks like they're about 190 calories each. I've seen it's like maybe 3 different flavors. These are actually really nice. That's a lot. Sometimes the gelato is a smaller cup. Okay, so this one is a pistachio. That sounds really good. Chocolate hazelnut and cappuccino. Wow. That, I had to just walk away. Those sounded so good. And then, of course, the umbrellas. We are maybe expecting snow. Yeah, here's Southern California, $8.99 for an umbrella if you need one. $40 for this Aldi food market set. How cute is that? I know they had something very similar to this last year. And those sell out really quick. The bamboo, the pendant light. This is actually really nice. Bamboo is getting so popular. I couldn't find a price on that. And then the faux floral. Now those are about $14.99. And then your pillows, these are on clearance. I've had these for a while. And those been marked down to $7.49. Oh, okay, here's the bamboo light. $50. Actually, not a bad price for that. Those will sell quick. But the mini wreaths, no price. I think they got a little switch up, but those actually are really pretty. And oh, the sea glass canister. Now, it says a 2-piece set. Really, it is the canister and the lid. But it's $17.99. How funny. I wish this is in 1 piece, because it's not like you're going to buy the lid by itself. Now, this is definitely a 2-piece right there. And then, I like this. It's just a wood board, but perfect for charcuterie boards. But, oh no, that's not the price. And then it's hammered glass carafe, and then you got the glasses. Then the boxes are set of 2. They're $10 each. I kind of do like the carafe. And then a covered stoneware baking dish for $15. It's nice that it has a lid. It's easy for storing. There's a couple of different colors. So this is more of an earth tone, like the cream, a blue, and ooh, the purple is really pretty. And oh, some of the lanterns. Okay, this one is actually really nice. And I like it. It's different styles, so whichever is your style. So see how much these are. $10 each. Okay, actually not a bad price for those. And then you have these chip baskets. You put the dip in the middle. I love the idea of these. It's just, in my opinion, it's really kind of sometimes hard to clean. And that is $25. They're so pretty. And then you have the utensil set of 5. Got the wood handle with the plastic top. You have blue or green. Boy, that is a nice dark green too. And those are $10 each. And then for $5, there's about 3 different pots, or 3 different boxes here. And there are all these different pots and pans. So these kind of go with the utensils we just saw. But now, are these going to be the most highest quality? Honestly, probably not. But if you're needing something, this is really a... Look at this. This is a little mini wok. It depends on how well you take care of them. If you're just needing a couple of pieces, give them a try. And if you have tried any of these items, let us know in the comments below what you think of them. Yeah, for $5, not bad. Now, I'm going to kind of pop it back in. $4.29. Ooh, the gelato. There's a lot of good gelato coming out. It's always so pretty. It just looks so fluffy. And then for $4.99, yep, the sandwich duos. Now, you know, there's a lot of comparison with Trader Joe's and Aldi. Trader Joe's has something very similar to this. So you got, you know, different ice cream sandwich, one on each side. Now $2.59, and then you have $4.99. But $2.59 is the basil cubes. These are always nice. Now you could, honestly, you could make these homemade if you wanted to. You have ginger, you have the garlic, and then you have next to it for $4.99 was the spinach artichoke dip. This is a good size box. And that's always good when it's warmed up for $5. And check out some of the pasta. Lobster ravioli, crab ravioli. And those are $3.89 per package. And yeah, the store just opened up like 20 minutes and it's already really packed. And then you have the organic, the beef meatballs. That's always nice, easy go-to for $7.99. And I'm kind of popping back in with all the fun treasures. This is really cute, especially to keep your pets' toys in. $6.79. That is a good price. It's a good size too. It's about 12 inches long, maybe about 10 inches deep. And this velvet comforter set. Oh, I really do like this. It's a queen. And one day I'm gonna have have a guest room set up with a queen size bed, but I don't know if to buy this early. $20 for that set though. That is actually really pretty. And this glass canister set. Now we've seen this, but they marked these down. It's a set of 2 for $5. What a deal. What a great gift too. So everybody, well, thank you so much for popping around Aldi's with me. I hope your day is going well. Let me know if you found some treasures at Aldi lately. Take care, and I will talk to you later.